I wish you good health and happiness. How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making this hair mask as a deep conditioner with curry leaves. Okay, and we're going to be adding some other ingredients. Here we have our curry leaf powder. The video is up on this channel. You can click it to watch it. How to make curry leaf powder for easy access. All right, and I have my ginger there, and of course I have onion. So we're going to be extracting the juice of ginger and onion into this beautiful, you know, ingredient. Also, I'm adding just a spoon of henna just to add something to it, and we're going to start the work. Watch to the end of the video and see other things that I added there. If you're my returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. If today is your first time coming here, God bless you. Please stay glued. So somebody may ask, what is curry leaf really used for? Curry leaf helps, hair growth and strengthening. Curry leaves are a good source of protein, which are essential for hair growth and reducing hair fall. So if you want your hair to stop falling or shedding too much, curry leaf is something that you should incorporate into your hair routine care. They can strengthen hair follicles, making hair more resistant to breakage and promoting new hair growth. Also, the ammonium acid and other properties that are in curry leaves nourishes the scalp and hair, causing overall health of the hair. Okay, it prevents premature graying. It helps in dealing with dandruff and scalp hair. Okay, so if your scalp needs some treatment, you need to use curry leaves because it will help you. And if you are battling with dandruff, please don't forget to mask your hair with curry leaf pre-poo. Okay, improving hair texture and reducing hair frizz. If somebody is suffering any of this, please go ahead and use that. I'm experiencing a beautiful texture on my hair ever since I started this journey. I've made my hair butter with it. I've made hair oil with it. The video also is up on this channel. You can check them out. Okay, and it also addresses hair thinning and breakage. So what else do you want? Anything that will help your hair growth, whether your hair is relaxed or natural, this is going to help you really. I'm talking from experience. In my video on how to make the powder, I explained a lot as well. So here I'm adding my grapeseed oil. That's my ginger oil as well. Okay, just put onion oil as well. Add any carrier oil of your choice that you want to put. Okay, it's going to help you to get a good combination. All right, you can also just add just coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil, and you are good to go. Just do what works for you. Now I'm going to add another ingredient to this, which is my mayonnaise. Mayonnaise can be beneficial for hair due to its moisturizing and strengthening properties. It can help hydrate dry hair, reduce frizz, and potentially promote shine and manageability. So if you want your hair to really be softened, like this deep conditioning, you need this mayonnaise to be added to it. Just like curry leaf has protein, this is going to help you to moisturize your hair and bring about shine. All right, it helps in dealing with moisturizing. It helps in strengthening your hair. It brings about shine and manageability. It helps also scalp. Okay, so if you're looking for combination, this is a great deal that you can combine to this, or else you can use rice. All right, maybe I'll bring another video on that, how to use rice to get that instead of mayonnaise. If you have watched this video to this point, please, I will appreciate you like, you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when I bring another video, you will get notified. Do well to like, do well to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video. I just had to mask my hair. Guys, this shrinkage of a thing makes my hair look so small, but sometimes it can be discouraging. But please don't be discouraged. If your hair, you have this kind of fussy type of hair that shrinks, like somebody sees, they won't know how long your hair is. But let's keep pushing. My goal is the health and not just perfection. Okay, so one of the things this natural hair journey has taught me is what? To focus on the process and not just on perfection. God bless you. Please do remember, whatever thing you're going through today, God is mindful of you. Whatever thing you're going through today, God is thinking about you. All right, it doesn't matter. No situation is permanent. He will see you through. Hold on to him and hold on to him completely, because he's a jealous God. If you're one leg in, one leg out, you may not get the best. Turn fully to him and he will embrace you fully. I'll come your way in my next video, and I pray that all remain well with you. Amen. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. After you put your masks, don't forget to, twist your hair and you cover it with a scalp. Those that have this heating cap, you can put it on so that it will penetrate. After like 45 minutes, you wash it off and voila, your hair will be soft and looking good. That's a shine. Thank you.